Good morning, guys. So, I had my tea. I'm fixing me a salad. Well, I've already fixed it, as you see. I got a little bit of everything in here. This is like an Asian influenced salad. I have some shallot that I'm about to put in here. But it's very gloomy today. Very, very gloomy outside. But we're still going to go out and paddleboard and see what a gloomy paddleboarding day feels like. Stay tuned. So good. I'm just sitting here. I was watching some YouTube. Now I'm eating and watching the water, the lake. I absolutely love being parked on a lake. There's really nothing like it. I paid like $22 for the night. And my backyard is the lake, like literally. This is my bed. And there's the water. Like what? Yeah, talk about just blessed, you know? Blessed to get this opportunity to recharge as well as a mom and as a single mom who lives practically over the road. I don't get a lot of time to myself except for at night when the kids are sleeping and I need to be sleeping too, but unfortunately I'm trying to do everything that I couldn't do because, you know, our day is very active during the day, and as a mom, you know, you're mommying, you know, you have to mommy. And you don't get to clock out until like 9 o'clock at night, right? So this weekend with me getting to just be, you know, without the babies, without having to worry about them, without having to feed them, without having to hear my name 1,000 times. It's just been a blessing to me. Getting to focus on, you know, eating healthy. That's another thing. I've been trying to become plant-based. I've been doing really good. Except for my mom fixed some oxtails. And honestly, I tore them oxtails up. Yes, I did. But we're doing great. I've been mushroom. If I have like a craving for meat, I've been substituting my meat for mushrooms. Been eating a lot of mushrooms and salads and just things that has me feeling really, really good. My knees, y'all, my knees have not been hurting me. And at our last event, I was telling the group that, like, you know, I feel like I have knees from the last lifetime. Like I just carried them bad babies right on over because my knees be hurting me. And it's because of inflammation. I know that, you know. So me cleaning up my diet, it has been a game changer for my knees. My knees have not been hurting me as bad. And I'm so grateful for that. So yeah, I'm just going to continue and eat my salad. I'm going to get out there on the water here shortly and do some paddleboarding today as well because today is a really, really gloomy day. I don't know if you guys can see. Very gloomy day. But we're gonna make the best of this day that I have as Nicole. You know, like I'm always mommy, but today, this weekend, I am Nicole. and I'm enjoying me. So yeah, we're gonna eat this salad, finish eating this salad, and then we're gonna go out on the water and do some gloomy day paddleboarding. So stay tuned. Last bite. I went through that salad. Delicious. Hi guys. I am just relaxing. This feels so good to not have anything to do. It's been so peaceful just being out here. I'm very thankful for this life. I can't say it enough. Um, I'm thankful to you guys for watching our videos and commenting. It means so much to me, y'all. Like, just to have somebody watching my stuff. I'm like, oh, and then y'all be commenting. It is so encouraging. I want to say thank you. I really do. I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Because I mean, hey, I'd just be talking to myself if if y'all wasn't looking. I mean, you know. So thank you. Thank you for not making me talk to myself. I appreciate it. I feel so good, y'all. I feel so good. Mm, I feel so amazing. The quiet out here. Just to be able to be. Like, moms be needing this. We be needing just time to ourselves. Like, without our kids, we love our kids. We love our kids, yo. We love our kids. But man, kids are exhausting. And just to have some time to yourself, to think, to sleep. I got to sleep, y'all, until like 9:30. Mm. Oh my God. And then the fact that if you want to, you can get right back in bed. There's no guilt. There's no like feeling, you know. Mommy guilt be eating me up, but there's no mommy nothing. There's no mommy nothing this weekend. Everything is me, is Nicole. I don't have to hear mommy. I don't have to hear it. It means so much. Man. I love my kids dearly. But man, feeling this peace, feeling this freedom, like it makes you appreciate the days when you didn't have kids. They're long gone, but man, it makes you look back and it's like, man, I was crying about stuff then, but I had no clue. When kids hit, jeez Louise, everything is gone. I just enjoyed eating some ice cream, and I had a thought. I haven't enjoyed ice cream in so long. I'll insert a clip here. Y'all, I never get to enjoy a popsicle. That's why this means so much to me, because my kids are always like hounding me over a freaking popsicle or anything ice cream. Mm. It's like I got PTSD because all I keep hearing is, Mommy. Mommy, give me some ice cream. You don't get to have anything nice, you know? I miss my babies. When I don't have them, I miss them. And when they with me, I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, oh God. But yeah, I haven't eaten ice cream in so long, and it's like, oh my God. It's the best thing ever. Whew. But anyway, I got my feet kicked up. Look at this. Just look at it. Just look. Like, what? I never get to do this. I'm getting it to do it now. I'm doing it right now. And it doesn't come with anything attached to it. Oh my God. Oh, that's the best. That's the best. I'm gonna finish watching the waves. I'll be thinking about how my ancestors must have wanted so bad to rest. I know for a fact that half of my ancestors are African and the other half is Cherokee Indian, and both cultures going through so much. I think about how much they wanted to rest. Mm.